Okay, continuing that thought, Pythagorean theorem. You've probably heard of it, you may have come across it in a class, or you may have seen it on a math problem. Again, not going to show you where it comes from right now, but if I have a right triangle, okay, again you remember 90 degrees, and the sides are A, B, and C, unknown numbers. The side opposite the right angle is going to be this longest slanty side. It is called the hypotenuse. I'm telling you that for information. It's not required I'm not going to ask you to define the hypotenuse or whatever. What this means is that I can find the length of any side if I know two of them. If I know these two sides, I can figure out the third one. If I know A and C, I can figure out the second one. Okay, so that's it. And this is for right triangles only. So let's say I told you that this side, start with the x. Let's say I told you this side was x, and this side was 2x minus 1. And I told you that this was 3x minus 7. Right? I could tell you in words. I could tell you that this side is 1 less than twice this one. I could tell you this one is 7 less than 3 times this one. Again, whatever the wording I would give you, what can you do with it? Well, it's just a different formula that you're using. All of these ideas are the same. Use a formula, use my variables, and then solve. So this becomes x squared. This one is 2x minus 1 squared. Now, maybe we never saw something exactly like this, but what can we do? What is allowed? Can I multiply this out? Of course. 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. So I get 4x squared minus 2x minus another 2x plus 1. Bring down that x squared. And what do I have over here? I have 9x squared minus 21x minus another 21x plus 49. We've seen stuff like this. We've seen that I can start combining like terms. And I have 5x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 9x squared minus 42x plus 49. Add 4x to both sides. Subtract 5x squared from both sides. And subtract 1 from both sides. Why? Why are we doing all of that? To get that 0. You get one side equal to 0, so that I can factor. Okay? Now I'm going to bring it over here. 4x squared minus 38x plus 48 equals 0. Again, you got to be looking to pull something out. In this case, a 2. So now, what are we looking for? I'm looking for a product of 48 and a sum of negative 19. Let's start listing possibilities. I know I'm going to need some negatives because I need that sum of negative 19. And here it is. So 2x squared minus 16x minus 3x plus 24. Again, nothing new. We've done a lot of these types of problems. We're going to factor, pull out a 2x minus, make sure you pull out that negative. So this becomes x minus 8 times okay, at this point you're in the home stretch. I'm looking for x minus 8 equals 0 or 2x minus 3 equals 0.
Good morning, David Yeshiva. Well, you know, it's Thursday. I'm going to have a lovely day this Thursday here in our yeshiva. Lovely as we make it. It's all up to us. I say it just about every day because this is the way it is every day. The day will be what you make it. Good day, bad day, fun day, boring day, exciting day, learning day, day of kindness. You choose. There are many ways that you can make today an excellent experience for yourself and for the people around you. Choose wisely. Do the right thing. Let's get to it. Please rise. And let's join together as we pledge the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Next, Tefillah L'Shlom HaMedina. Avinu Shebashamayim, Sur Yisrael B'Goalo, Barech et Medinat Yisrael, Reshit Semichat Gilatenu. Thank you. Have a thankful Thursday.
Okay. So now you know when I made this video at approximately 8:15 on a Thursday morning. Okay. Last step. We got x equals 8. And we also got x equals 3 halves. X equals 8. It works. I get 3 numbers, and if I check my work, you will see, if you want to do it on the calculator, that's fine, but you will see that it is a true statement. This fraction, we're going to leave that off. Okay, I'm not asking you to start squaring mixed numbers and fractions and stuff like that. The problem probably would specify integer sides, in which case you would throw this out because it's not an integer, it's not a whole number. But you would see that we got our 3 sides, and using this formula, we got to a solving by factoring. We did something that we've done many times. We got our product, our sum, our pair of numbers, and we were good to go. Okay? Have a great day.